Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Oppo F15 versus the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. And the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s comes with the Snapdragon 720G chipset with 6GB of RAM, while the all-new Oppo F15 comes with the old MediaTek Helio P70 chipset, which is same as that we get on the Oppo F11 series with 8GB of RAM, and both phones comes with the quad cameras on the back as you can see. So I am super excited to see how much difference between a Oppo F15 and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. And this chipset on the Note 9s, it is based on 8nm architecture. It is a pretty efficient chipset that we got on the Note 9s. So let's find out in this video who is going to be the fastest one. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And low came up first, little bit faster on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, followed by the Oppo F15. And Redmi Note 9s, it is running on Android 10 versus Android 9 Pie, still on the Oppo F15. And some phones are running on Android 10 by Oppo that is launched in this year. And you can see Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, it is just a tiny bit faster there. And guys, you can see that the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s comes with a full HD IPS HD display with a futuristic display. And you can see we get a punch hole on the center, which is a really unique feature in this price range. While the Oppo F15, it is still give you a water drop notch in this price range, but we get a much better display technology on the Oppo F15. We get a full HD AMOLED screen on the Oppo F15. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And you can see we got the old software version on the Oppo F15 and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application I'm gonna launching is the phone dialer. Little bit faster on the Oppo F15 because with the Android 9 update we get a very fast animation compared to a really smooth animation on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s with the Android 10 update. Now let's check out the settings on both phones, and about the same on both phones, no difference there. The mic lock little bit faster on the Oppo F15. Now let's see the calculator on both phones. We have me versus calculator, little bit faster on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. Amazon shopping and launching at the same time, and faster on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, followed by the Oppo F15. Let's see the scrolling, feels very smooth on both phones. Instagram and little bit faster on the Note 9s. Snapchat, that is faster on the Oppo F15 this time. See the Spotify, a little bit faster on the Note 9s again. So now let's launch some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. We have Snapdragon 720G versus a MediaTek Helio P70, and you can see Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, it is huge faster there. Subway Surfer and faster on the Redmi Note 9s, and you can see little bit faster there. Definitely Note 9s, it is way ahead compared to the Oppo F15. Last game application we have is the Temper Run 2 on both phones, and both phones is running on the latest software version. And we got Android 9 versus Android 10, and you can see Xiaomi Redmi Note 9, it is faster there, about 1 or 2 second difference there. Twitter faster on the F15 this time. Zedge and little bit faster. I have to say about the same on both phones. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, here we go, and that is little bit faster on the Oppo F15, followed by the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Google Chrome on both phones, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones, wikipedia.org, and faster on the Oppo F15, followed by the Note 9s, and the scrolling feels very smooth on both phones. Next on the list is the wwe.com, and it is a heavy website. And you can see that this time Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, it is just a tiny bit faster there. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels little bit laggy on both phones, and overall I have to say both phones perform equal, but now both phones perform smooth. So now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. We got a 8GB of RAM on the Oppo F15 versus a 6GB of RAM on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. Now let's see the phone dialer. Refresh on the Note 9s. Let's see settings. Refresh on both phones. Let's see mic lock. Let's see the calculator. Refresh. Let's see Amazon shopping, Instagram. Let's see Snapchat, Spotify. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga. Let's see Subway Surfer. Let's see the Temper Run 2. Let's see the Twitter, Zedge. Last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see that is not refresh on both phones. And guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is definitely a little bit faster on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, and the processor and everything, it is much better on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. This is one of the best phones that you get in this price range, and also we get a massive 5000 mAh battery size on the Note 9s, and the display quality, it is better on the Oppo F15, but RAM management, it is pretty bad on both phones. In my previous videos, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, it is performed really good in the RAM management. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Oppo F15 versus the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.